This is the aftermath of shopping and presents. Good morning and welcome to the mess that is my kitchen counter. This is leftover from last night that has to be thrown away. I have so much wrapping to do that I don't know that I'm going to go to Disney today. I was going to go and see all the holiday stuff at Epcot, but the problem is I only have a certain amount of daylight. I don't have that much light to work with. And I don't like driving I-4 in the dark if I can avoid it. So being that and all the stuff I have to do around here, and it's already 10 o'clock in the morning, I don't know if I'm going to Disney today. But I will be starting my morning off with some advent calendar coffee, so join me on today's adventure, wherever that may take me. Still waiting for that eggnog coffee. It is. Wait for it. Oh, cookies and cream. Okay, we are trying the cookies and cream. I put a little bit of vanilla creamer and some chocolate and vanilla syrup in it. It tastes like a cookie. It's really good. Also, this is not our old Keurig. Yesterday, we were having problems with the pods getting water in them and not draining out. And I woke up this morning and Evan's just like, did you notice anything different? I'm like, no. He's like, that Keurig is new. I'm like, oh yeah, I thought you just cleaned it. It's brand new. Same model. So if you need a Keurig, Target has them on sale for $99. Just so you know. Good morning. Yes, I said good morning. 2 good mornings in a row. I did nothing yesterday and it felt glorious. I didn't even open the wine and cheese calendar. We grilled yesterday, or smoked, some chicken. I didn't, my husband did. And it was delicious, had a cousin come over. I got so much done. I have not had a lazy Sunday in I can't even tell you how long, because I'm always running around, always on the go. I got my wrapping done. I got my laundry done. I've got the kitchen cleaned. I watched 2 of the Golden Globe movies last night after my cousin went home. I got a lot accomplished. So today is going to be a double wine and cheese day and another coffee day. So join me on this double adventure. All right, it is day 16. Candy cane, maybe? Is that what I see upside down? It is candy cane. All right, let's put it in the new Keurig. It was working so much better than the one that was getting the water stuck in here. Should have known that the other one was on the fritz because it was not putting that much coffee in our cups. Anyways, today I'm going to be using the vanilla creamer and a little bit of the mocha syrup. All right, taste test. That's a good cup of coffee. It's so different when you're actually getting the right amount of water in your coffee maker. I'm wondering if that's why even some of the beginning ones that I didn't like that I ended up dumping, if it was because of the coffee maker and not because of the coffee. All right, I've got work to do, and then I've got some errands to run this afternoon. And then tonight, we're gonna do 2 wines, 2 cheeses. Welcome to the Channelside area of Tampa. There's Sparkling Wharf here where there's a bunch of restaurants. And I am on my way to a Yelp event at the Hampton chocolate place, which I've never been to. And apparently I get a sweet treat. I'm gonna look around. And yeah, so this has all been redone and a lot of these places are new. Recommended, since I like s'mores, to try that right up there, the marshmallow s'more sundae. This is going to be interesting because I haven't even had dinner yet, and this is not something I can bring home. Maybe the bottom of it, but definitely not the ice cream part. And he was saying that they put very little air in their machines so that it's a much denser ice cream. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be like a custard, so we'll see. And it's not super cold here today in Tampa. I am wearing a sweater, but very light sweater. It's like low, it's like mid 70s right now, going down to the 60s. You guys, look at this. And there's whipped cream, and there's ice cream, there's marshmallows, there's a s'more on the bottom that she said I can actually take home. She'll cut the stick and then I can take it home because I'm not eating all of this. And the ice cream will melt by the time I get home. I'm up a good, with traffic, right now it's about 5 o'clock, so I would hit like big time traffic and this would not last. So let's taste it. I'm going to call this my appetizer before dinner. Oh, they also gave me a color changing spoon, which I'll take home with me. Oh my gosh. There's chocolate and vanilla. Look at that. Wow, that's really good. So these are like little like crunchy things, the marshmallow crunchies, like the marshmallow crunchies you find like in a cereal box. Wow. Why don't the wine tastings do like a dessert pairing? That would be really good, wouldn't it? I'm gonna finish this and then have them box up that bottom part to take home. I realized I have a cooler in my car, so I'm taking the rest of this home. I'm sure most of the ice cream will melt, but maybe Evan will enjoy it. I'm gonna take a walk over to this main area here and show you the lights, and this is right on the water. It's really nice down here. I need to come down here more often. So this is a big open area with lots of seating, and it's nice and quiet tonight. On the weekends, this gets real busy, and there's gonna be a boat parade this weekend. I was going to go, but I'm going to a different event instead. I'm gonna do a tiki thing instead of the boat show this year, but this is a great spot to watch the boat show. And then there's the tree. And they might have little like shows there, I guess, for the kids. And then over here they have all different kinds of shipping containers with restaurants. And over there, there's that's called the Lighthouse. I guess that's a bar over there. So yeah, this is so different than it was originally. This place smells amazing. Chicken and donuts. Holiday calories don't count. That's good to know. Now this restaurant over here is now a Mexican restaurant, and before they redid this whole thing, that was a Hooters, and it's not a Hooters anymore. One of the things that I would like to do one of these days on like a Saturday night is to actually park my car in Ybor City and then take the trolley down here, walk around, and then take the trolley back. I do have a secret parking spot here that did have 2 spots open today, so I only paid $2.50 for parking. It's a little cheaper than going into the garage, and the street parking is behind everything, so I don't like to be like exposed out in the open with my car, but I don't mind being where I was. So that's gonna do it for me. The trolley's going by, hang on. And there is the Tampa sign. Yeah, that was a squirrel moment. I'm heading back to my car and then home, and then we will find out what 2 wines I will be opening tonight. I did not do this last night. We need to do 15 and 16. 15 is Crush Montepulciano. Oh, it's an Italian. Okay, we'll have to look this up. And then 16, and I guess this is gonna be a white. Yep, it's a white. It's getting hard to get out. Oh, there we go. This is from Portugal, a white blend. All right, let's go see what the matches are with the cheese, and then we'll look up the wines. Okay, 15 is gonna go with the red, and that is, oh, this is different. We have not had this yet. Gosh, that was hard to get out. Mini snack, Grana Padano. That's weird. I think we had this, but this doesn't look like any of the other ones. The other one does make sense because it's an Italian wine with an Italian cheese. So this 16 is going with the white. And this, see, it looks like the way all the other ones look. That one looks like an extra mature cheddar. Okay, let's go look up the wines. All right, first the red Italian wine. It's from D'Abrazo DOC in Italy. Aromas of ripe cherries, blackberries, and a hint of spice. It captivates from the first sip. Okay, it's going to have flavors of dark fruits, plums, with a touch of earthiness, and one of the pairings is the aged cheese, which is pretty much what they've aged it with. what they've paired it with. All right, let's go back and we do 16. And this is the white blend from Portugal. Flavors of ripe peaches, lemon zest, and a touch of minerality. Crisp, clean finish. Makes a versatile companion to a variety of dishes from seafood and salads to grilled poultry and light pasta dishes. And that's the one that's being paired with the cheddar. So yeah, seafood paella, grilled chicken, goat cheese. Thankfully, it's not goat cheese tonight. All right, let's go do the tasting. All right, first we're gonna try the red wine, which I think I might like because it's Italian wine. I don't like it. Ooh, no. I do not like it at all. I'm gonna try it with the cheese because I know I'm gonna like this cheese. I'm gonna have Evan taste that because lately, you know, he's been liking everything I don't like. It's better with the cheese, but in general, no. All right. You want to try this because I don't like it at all, which means you might like it. I'm moving on to the white. Let's see if he wants to try that. I like it better with the cheese. I did not like that at all. All right, here we go on the white for me. The white's not bad. It tastes like an Aperino. I'm gonna taste it with the cheese. What do you think of that red?
Okay.
And this is the extra sharp cheddar. Extra mature cheddar. No?
Cheese is not. Cheese is okay too.
This is a good pairing. You're not gonna like this wine. To me, it reminds me of Aperino. It means you don't. The face that I made with the red, he made with the white. He's tasting it with the cheese. The cheese is, we know we like the cheese.
Okay. It could be the greatest cheese in the world, but it's not going to help this wine.
That's funny. All right, so the general consensus is the white is, for me, drinkable. The red, I think, for both of us is a Even the cheese isn't that good. It's like it was in a different wrapper. It's like they all of a sudden ran out of cheese for the wine calendar and just said, hey, let's just find another brand. And it's just not good. I'm just tossing all of it. All right, well, that is day 16, which was combined a little bit with yesterday from the coffee and the cheese and the wine. So thank you for joining me on today's adventure. It was actually a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe below. Give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you on my next adventure tomorrow. I am going to a party that my cousin invited me to, and it's casino themed. So it should be fun. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.